Hello everyone, this is Nasan Technology. Today we are going to unpacking the NA-LS2 package with you. And NA-LS2, it is the smallest laser separator in the whole market. It is with an airbox package like this. And because laser separator is a very precise equipment, so a stable package is very necessary. And now let's see what accessories are with this machine. Those are all the accessories with NA-LS2 separator, and now let me introduce it. This is a USB key. All the machine software, drawings, and drivers are inside it, and we have backup files. If you need them, just contact us. And it has equipped with 10 pieces brake cards. The brake cards are for checking the laser intensity and for marking, and 2 rulers, a machine manuals, and you could set up the machine according to the manuals also, and a set of a screwdriver, and 2 pieces of black paper. The black paper is for calibrating the machine and for testing, and a data cable, and a power cable, and a back glass clamp. You could put phone into the back glass clamp after glue the new glass on, and until the glue dry, then take it out. And now let's set the machine up. Connect the machine to your computer and insert the USB key. Then power it on. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. It is not hard to set it up, right? And if you want any other information about the laser separator, just leave us a message. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next videos. Bye bye.